The MorFlex technology is a standout feature, providing impressive flexibility and making the hose highly resistant to kinking during use. At a generous length of 50 feet, this hose offers excellent reach for cleaning large areas like driveways and siding without constantly moving the pressure washer. Its durable, non-marring polyurethane outer jacket protects surfaces from scuffs and withstands significant abrasion, while 4-inch bend protectors at each end enhance its longevity. Engineered to handle powerful streams up to 3,700 pounds per square inch, it's a perfect match for a wide range of both gas and electric pressure washers. The hose comes equipped with versatile M22 threaded fittings that feature a clever dual O-ring design, ensuring a secure, leak-free connection to both 14mm and 50mm outlets. Despite its robust construction, the lightweight polyester braid makes this hose surprisingly easy to manage and maneuver around your worksite.